Well, then, as Jonas already introduced, it is now also possible to convert your results to a water depth map. And before, this was yeah, for those 3DI users that also have a subscription to Lizard, this was not that much of a problem because the post-processing of your simulations would be fully automatic in Lizard, and of course this is still the case. But for those of you that do not have such a subscription, it can be pretty difficult to make a water depth map from your raw results. And now this has become really easy as well. So in the processing toolbox, you will find this new 3DI category, and well, there's at the moment this one processing tool. More will probably follow in the future. And if I open that, well, it's pretty straightforward. You get a dialog to that you just fill in from top to bottom. Well, the first thing that is asked is the grid admin file that is part of your raw results. So let's see if I can find the right one. Results. Let's say there in this folder I have two scenarios. One is a reference scenario, and the other one is a scenario after some measures have been applied to improve the situation. Well, let's select this one, and yeah, we need the grid admin file, so choose that. Then also we of course need the raw results netcdf, which is in that same folder. And we need a digital elevation model because the water levels that are in the raw results, we need to subtract the dam values for each pixel from that. So we go to the model rasters and we have our DEM. Select that. Well, then you can choose your interpolation mode, and you actually have 4 options. So there you can choose for an interpolated water depth map or an interpolated water level raster. And this means that the water levels are spatially interpolated before subtracting the digital elevation model. And the same is available without interpolation. So yeah, again, you can output the water level raster or the water depth raster. I think the most commonly used is the interpolated water depth raster. Well, then you need to select a time step. So in this case, the scenario is a rainfall event of 45 minutes, and we're most interested in the maximum, so we choose the end of the simulation. And then, of course, you need to select an output file. And let's put it here. Water. Well, and then it's simply a matter of clicking run, and it will process your results in the background, and you can keep working. It may take some time, and especially with larger models. And in this case, it's the model is pretty large, and also because it's an integral model, it may take a few minutes, which normally is not a problem, but it's not really suitable during a webinar. So I will just skip clicking run. And of course, I prepared this water depth raster before, so the output that you will get will look like this.